On today's episode, we're putting the E46 on a diet using science. As you can see, we have a big old bag of dry ice. It's currently freezing my hand. And today, we're gonna be taking this big old bag of ice, slapping it in the jalopy, and taking all of the sound deadening out of the car. All right, our handy assistant here is gonna attempt to scoop up some dry ice. Holy shit.
Same amount, okay?
So, scientific explanation of what's going on here right now. So, essentially what's going to happen is you're going to take your dry ice, which is made out of, and you're going to smash it up like a little bit so you have these little pellets, okay, yeah? And then you're going to put it on the bottom of your car. Sometimes people use isopropyl alcohol, but we don't do that around here because we're poor and broke, i.e. broke garage. Okay, so we're going to put the isopropyl alcohol in.
Hello?
Okay, so now the isopropyl alcohol is totally added in. What we're going to do here is we're going to let it sit until you start hearing the sound deadening go. And then when it's done transforming like a robot, you're going to tap it out and it's just going to come out in big chunks and pieces. She needs a raise, apparently.
Like fire.
Suka, bien! Kurwa! Kurwa, Bobber! Science. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Good piece.
Oh yeah!
Oh, it's so cold underneath the car. You can feel it.
Oh yeah, brother! Brother!
Are you kidding me? That's like too easy.
Oh yeah. Oh
Look
yeah.
at smoking.
I'm gonna tell your mom you smoke.
Crack. Mama, I've been smoking crack. Now, when you're working above the gas tank, you want to be very, very safe, okay? Trust me. Do I look like a guy who knows what he's talking about?
No.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
And when you're above the gas tank with a bunch of really cold stuff, be very careful. Because you could be smacking your hammer and sparking boom.
Oh. Can I wait a minute?
I'm just kidding, but it won't go boom. Are you ready for some science? Are you ready for science class? Oh, let it. Hear it like boom. Wash your hands. Coronavirus!